Look, also, you see the temperature is set at 116, and we're actually at 116, and it says Fahrenheit here, F. You can adjust this to read Celsius or Fahrenheit. If you look, it shows the shower head, shows the water spouting out, which means that the water is flowing. But notice how the temperature is holding stable. And this is the advantage of the tankless hot water heater. You can actually lower the temperature. I lower it to 113, it goes right to 113. If I raise the temperature back up to 120, look at what starts to happen. The temperature will start to travel back up to approach the temperature of 120. And that's what you see happening on 119 in this case. And this is how quick you can make the adjustments with the tankless hot water heater. So the big advantage is that this thing will go from ground temperature, because this water is coming directly from the ground, to temperature or set point within 15 seconds, which is phenomenal. Great speed. The other thing is the size that we're dealing with here. If you notice, you're only taking up a little bit of space, and it's actually up against the wall. Now, I could have very easily made these water lines shorter, but I just wanted to take the simple water lines from here and transfer them right over to there. And this is the advantage of the tankless hot water system. Now, watch this. I'm going to turn the water off. Stay right there. I'm going to turn the water off. Turn it on. And once we turn the water off, look at what happens. It drops. The temperature drops. It shows that you're no longer spouting water out. And once the sensor senses less than 0.82 gallons per minute, it will actually shut the system off. So in a second, what you're going to see is the water, the tankless system actually shut all of the electronics off. And that's what makes this unique also, because once it no longer senses water flow, it shuts all the electronics off, meaning that now this system is 99.3% efficient, because the only time electronics is applied is if it senses water flowing through the system. Whereby with this right here, you always have electricity applied. So when you go on vacation for 3 months, this thing is actually running. If you go on vacation for 3 months here, this is not running. The only way it runs is if somebody turns the water on. So with this system versus this system, we're looking at 50 to 60% savings in terms of energy. And guess what? In a store, this size system here that we have will cost somewhere between $390 and $480. In some cases, $500. Just depends on where you get it from. This unit right here is basically $450. So what we're saying is that if you buy this unit, you will save that in a year's time or less. So that your system would pay for itself in less than a year, or right at a year, which is a phenomenal investment. So this is what we have. This is a new product that we're working with, although it's been in the house for a year and a half. But I just wanted to demo it, talk about it a little bit, and introduce you to our tankless hot water system. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day.